Hello hungry fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few Nutella and chocolate hacks to check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I have 3 bread slices. Cut off the edges and place them in a line. Using a rolling pin, flatten it out. Then on the first slice, apply 1 tablespoon Nutella. I'm using my homemade Nutella. Its recipe link is in the description box below. Then on the second slice, apply cream cheese, and on the last slice, apply any fruit jam you like. Then roll it and cover it with a foil paper and let it aside for 5 minutes so that it stays in place. Now remove it from the foil paper. Cut it into small slices. It feels like I'm cutting a Swiss roll, which is my favorite. Comment below who loves to eat Mongenie's wala Swiss roll. These chocolate rolls look like a fancy breakfast, but it's just your regular sandwich. Let's taste it. Tastes amazing. I can't taste the cream cheese much and it's not visible as well, so I guess you can skip it. These rolls would be a fun tiffin option for kids. This hack was undoubtedly a big success. Since I'm using homemade Nutella, I didn't have its jar, but I have this Hershey spread जो almost खत्म होने आया है. In that, I'm adding half cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can also use regular sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Close the lid and give it a nice mix. Let it set in refrigerator for some time. So in total it took 6 hours to set. Top it up with some whipped cream. And let's taste it. Looks very creamy and it's perfectly set. The taste is not that good. It's very powdery, like I can taste the raw corn flour in it. By looking at it, I thought the taste would be amazing, but no. So for me, this hack was busted. For the next hack, roll a banana over Nutella. Try to use a straight banana. The one I'm using is curved, so it's not rolling that smoothly and the process is becoming very messy. Then roll it over puffed rice. They actually use popped rice, which I couldn't find, so I'm using kurmura instead. Let it set for a minute, then cut it like so. Be very careful while cutting because the rice and the Nutella is coming off very easily. It actually looks like a dessert sushi. Let's give it a taste. Nutella and banana is a classic combination, but adding this puffed rice gave it a nice crunch. I enjoyed eating it, so this hack was successful. For the next hack, add melted chocolate on a baking paper and spread it out evenly. Place 1 bread slice without the edges over it. Apply any jam at the bottom side of the bread I'm going to skip adding the pretzel sticks. Now just roll it carefully. And let it set for 5 minutes or until the chocolate is completely set. It comes out pretty good. There are few cracks, but it's fine. Decorate it with some whipped cream and sprinklers. Let's dig into it. The jam roll looks so pretty, and again it's a fancy version of a basic breakfast. The taste is amazing and it's so much fun to eat. I highly recommend you all to try it, and it's a success. For the next hack, I have few slices of banana and I'm going to pipe peanut butter over it. Again, the recipe link is in the description box below. Cover it with the other banana slice. Dip this mini banana sandwich into melted chocolate. Let it set over a baking paper so that you can easily remove it. Let's taste it now. It's a bit messy, but the taste is amazing. Again, a fun mini dessert bite to enjoy. So this hack was successful. For the last hack, I'm using this rolling blade gadget which I tested earlier. Let me know if you want me to test more kitchen gadgets. I would love to do that. Just roll it over a regular flour dough. And you get this perfect round disc. Add Nutella on the center of the disc. And place ice cream stick over it. Cover it with the other disc. And using a fork, seal the edges like so. Make sure to seal it properly. Place it on a baking tray and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This is how it turned out. They opened up a bit, which is fine. Let's taste it. Okay, so the taste is good. Of course, it would be perfect with pastry dough, but I was way too lazy to make it. The cover is a bit chewy, but that's my fault. The hack totally works and it was a success. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Tia, Kalyani Popalghat, Renuka Dutte, Khushi Sharma and Vidushi Rajesh. If you want to shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.